Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code 268 unexpected client behavior. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to status.roblox.com and look if the Roblox servers is fully operational, and if they are, probably the problem is not on there but on your end. And the second step for you is to go to speed test and check your internet connection and see if you have good internet speed. And if you don't have it, try to limit your devices or maybe restart your router, right? And if the problem if the problem persists, what you can do here is first update your operating system. So here on search, just write check for updates, and then as you can see here, press check for updates and install the latest updates on your operational system and restart your computer. And if the problem persists, then you need to delete temporary files. So just here basically write temporary and press on delete temporary files, and then go to temporary files and delete all the files here. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to firewall and network protection, and then go to allow an app to firewall, press change settings and locate Roblox here. As you can see here, Roblox, and make sure that private and public is ticked on. And if you do not found Roblox here, then you need to press on allow another app, press browse, and then go to your computer, your disk, and then user, your PC name, and then scroll down to app data, and then roaming. And here you need to look for Microsoft, and on Microsoft you need to look for Windows, and here you need to look for start menu, programs, and here you should find Roblox, and then you can add Roblox here and press add, and tick all these options here, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it what I want to show you.